Hey everybody, we got a package today in the mail from Mr. Aaron Lynch. You want to see a guy that gets in on port and saws and all that kind of stuff? Go check out Aaron Lynch and Jon Bob Millwright. Let's just get it open. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, dude, I can't believe this, Aaron. I can't even believe it. I can't wait to see what's in this box. I'm jacked up. I am jacked up. This is crazy. Oh, that's fancy. Look at that fancy bubble wrap. That's shiny business. What? No way, dude. No way. Are you kidding me?
Chainsaw?
Oh, what are you doing, dude?
Oh, it's a chainsaw.
Wow. No way. Let's read the letter. Hey, TazMan. Jon Bob and me went together and built you a ported saw for fun. Of course, it's a Farmer Tech kit saw with a big bore cylinder. We used a Highway 272 52mm piston with caber ring. Jon Bob ported the cylinder and I assembled it. We used JKF crank bearings and Highway crank seals and gaskets. Jon Bob did the muffler mod. We went a little crazy at first and blew it up twice. Yeah. LOL. I got a lot of pictures to send once you get the saw. You got to remember, it's a China saw, so she needs a little more oil in the fuel. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe out there, buddy. Aaron and Jon Bob. I can't believe this. This is crazy. I have like goosebumps. Are you kidding me? This is unbelievable, you guys. Oh no! Oh gosh! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, I hope you could see that without the sun being in the way. See that? Oh gosh! McCulloch 2-cycle 40-to-1 custom lubricant. Oh man! No way! Oh my gosh! You gotta be kidding me, you guys. You have got to be kidding me. Look at that. No way, you guys. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. I love it. Thanks, guys. 32-to-1 oil mix fuel only. And, yeah, I won't run nothing but 32-to-1. And I will be looking for, I guess, look at that. Farmer Tech 372 Taz XP. What are you guys that are insane? Are you kidding? Skunk Works Saw Shop. Go see Skunk Works Saw Shop. Are you kidding me? Aaron and Jon Bob. Wow. No way, you guys. This is insane. Absolutely insane. You guys are crazy. I don't even know what to say. Hell, lots of bubble wrap for dancing, I guess, man. Oh gosh. I don't have any 32-to-1 mix. If I had 32-to-1 mix, I'd start it. I'm gonna start it anyway. I'm gonna go get some gas. I'm not gonna run it hard, right? I'm just gonna I'm gonna start this chainsaw. All right, I'll be right back. All right. This is 40-1 with a little extra oil in it. I can't believe this. This right here will be the very first ported saw that I've ever run. No joke. Let's start it. Oh my goodness sakes. Oh. Holy crap, she's got some compression, that's for damn sure. Oh. Wow. I don't know if I want to pull on that anymore, do I? You guys are unbelievable. You know that? This is just crazy. I can't even. Armortech 372 Taz XP. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say, man. You guys, thank you so much. I can't even believe this. Like I said, this will be the first ported saw I've ever run. It's gonna be wearing a 28-inch bar. At first, it'll start with a 28. It might end up, well, no, it'll be a 30-inch bar. It'll be right out of the 30-inch bar. It'll be that one that Sumura bar that is made for an Echo. I'm gonna retrofit. I'm gonna fit it onto this one. It's like 30 inches long. It's a 96 driver bar. And oh my gosh, you guys, I just can't even believe it. This is insane. Thank you guys so much. This is gonna be crazy in that awesome blue top. Oh gosh, you guys like read my mind. I've been thinking about getting a blue top for my other 372s, but oh, this thing's going to be absolutely an animal. It's got so much stinking compression. Holy crap. All right, well, I'm going to end this. There'll be a lot more to come with this. Thank you guys so much. So much. We're going to have fun with this saw. First ported saw. Nice work on that muffler too, you guys. Holy cow. It's got compressions. A lot of compression. Unreal. I don't even know what else to say. Thank you guys. And for the oil, I'll run her 32 to 1. I just had to start it though. That thing's awesome. All right, everybody. Take care. Be safe. I love y'all. Go see Jon Bob Millwright and Aaron Lynch. Go check them out. No doubt. Thank you guys so much. This is crazy. I appreciate it a lot. This is huge. This is way huge. Awesome. Love you guys. TazMan is rolling. Hey everybody. I did the unboxing and I I was so excited that I don't know, I read the side decals and the top and stuff, but I didn't show it. So I gotta get out here and show it. It's just crazy. Aaron and Jon Bob, you guys are nuts. Absolutely nuts. So this is going to be in addition to the unboxing video. You got to check this out. Hey guys, I rustled up a full wrap for it, and it's the old style that fits the top and everything, because it's the old style top. It's that style. But check this out. We got. Hopefully you can see that. The handlebar's kind of in the way. Skunk Works Saw Shop. And Aaron and Jon Bob. But look at this. Look at this. I got to make sure you can see that. You see that? That's a decal made. That's not written on there or nothing like that. It's a made decal. Taz XP. And then this side, check this out. How cool is that? Yeah, full wrap, and I got the brake on there. My muffler cap. For the big slug hole. Yeah, awesome. Anyway, I just wanted to show that. It's just too cool. We're getting closer to getting there together anyway. All right. Well, love y'all. Take care and be safe. Thanks, Aaron and Jon Bob. You guys are nuts. They sent this they just sent it to me. All right. I don't know. I'm not super good with words or nothing like that, but yeah. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. TazMan is rolling.